Greetings and salutations, I'm back by popular demand, and today we're going to be doing a sweet, simple style. That's right, we're going to be doing a twist out today, honey, okay? So get your comb, get your brush, get your grease, whatever you need. Let's get into this video. The first thing we're going to do is section our hair into 3 and then oil our scalp, being sure to massage it in there. We're going to part our first row. Remember, your twist will only be as thick or chunky as the parting you make. Once you've finished parting your first row, take a hairband to secure the rest of the hair and make sure that it's not in your way. And then we're going to take our curling cream and our hair grease and moisturize our hair. Make sure you detangle. Here I've noticed that this one was a bit slack in comparison to the other one, so I'm just retwisting it so that it can be tighter.
A few moments later.
Like we discussed in the last video, once you reach the front of your hair, it's up to you to decide how you want your hair to fall. I'm working with a middle parting, so that's why mine is like that. Once you've finished twisting your hair, you want to make sure that it's completely dry before you undo the twist again for the twist out. I didn't undo mine immediately, I kept it for a few days and then undone it when I actually needed to go somewhere.
Day 2.
Before you undo your twist, make sure you oil your hands because it is essential. To undo the twist, grab the end of it and slowly start to untwist it in the opposite direction, and the hair will slowly start to want to unravel. Now take one of your 2 curls and twist it in the opposite direction so that it opens, and then slowly and gently separate the hair. If you want a more defined curl, you can twirl it around your finger like I am here. Take the end of the hair, start to unravel it. twist it in the opposite direction so it's open, and slowly and gently separate the hair. Take the end, unravel, take a curl, twist it in the opposite direction, slowly and gently separate the hair, twirling around the finger should you want a more defined curl. Once you've undone all your twists, take your afro pick and comb the roots of your hair. Don't comb them through to the end because you will ruin the curl pattern that you've just created. And just continue doing this until you've reached your desired volume and shape. Here I'm just taking my fingers and separating the hair at the very front of my head so that it frames my face the way I want it to. Prim, prim, prim.
Eventually,
The final look. Ooh, ah, yeah. Pose.